How to disable your lost or stolen M&T Bank's credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can disable your lost or stolen card of M&T Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the M&T Bank's app on your mobile device, and once you've done that, simply log into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where on the top left corner of your screen you can see three horizontal lines. Simply tap on it. After that, you can see the option under M&T Alerts Card Services. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option Report a Lost or Stolen Card. Simply tap on it. After that, you'll have to select a reason. So it may be report a lost or stolen card or replace a card. So since we are here to disable our lost or stolen card, we'll simply tap on the first option. After that, it may be your credit or debit card. So simply enter the one which you lost or which was stolen. Now, once you've done that, if you'd like to retain your existing PIN, simply tap on the option yes, and then tap on the option continue. Now, once you've done that, your current card will be disabled, and then you will be provided with a new card within approximately 5 business days. So that is basically how you disable your lost or stolen card and then immediately order a replacement. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.